I think this community is beautiful. It's an incredible place to live. But also there's a huge need, right? Like, there's quite a large unhoused population for the size of the city. Um, and there is both some incredible initiatives being supported by local government and some huge gaps still existing in the supports that are needed. Gardenview Village is one of the most incredible programs I've ever seen in my decade plus of doing this work. In 2024, 26 out of 35 people moved into permanent housing. Those are 26 folks who are some of the most challenging cases in our community, folks who have been unhoused for years or even decades, and who are considered unhousable by other agencies in our community. And we have seen this model of trauma informed, as low barrier as possible, be incredibly successful. Kind of this idea of housing first, that people are not going to be able to address, an addiction or long-term childhood trauma if they don't have these basic needs covered.
Yeah.
Um, so yeah, that's been incredible. I've never seen a housing program that supported such a marginalized community that has seen so much success.